Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to test out my new camera. I got me, again, every time I shoot a video, I want to do something different. I want to improve. I want to get better. So today marks another step. I have my brand new camera that I got for my birthday. It's a ZV-E10 II camera. It's a creator camera. I have a 16mm Sigma lens, which I've had since my Sony a5100, but that camera broke. So I've been shooting videos on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can't even talk. Which, don't get me wrong, great quality. It was just kind of a tedious setup, having to mount it on the tripod and then turn on cinematic mode. I can't really frame myself or see how I'm framing myself. It's a lot of up and down and up and down, turn on the recording, turn it off, or do it from my watch. And then I have to let the video render if I wanted to get that bokeh effect. I was using cinematic mode, so I have to let it render, usually about 12 to 24 hours, then upload it to my PC. Then I had to convert it just to get into DaVinci Resolve. It was a pain. I spent almost as much time trying to upload it as I do when I edit the video. So I needed a more streamlined solution. So this I can plug directly into a capture card or directly via USB-C into my PC and capture it all in OBS. So the video is right there. I can still use my CM28 microphone from Newer to plug into my PC and capture the audio that way, which is what I'm doing right now. Or I can plug it into the camera if I want to. I can take the camera with me, and then I can use my iPhone 15 Pro Max for all my B-roll shots, which I need to get better at, and probably going to be something I'm focusing on moving into future videos instead of just using stock footage. But the idea is that I improve a little bit each time. Since there is so much to learn, it can be overwhelming. But I wanted to talk to you today about why you need to start a YouTube channel. And there's a lot of different reasons. One, I think the economy is transitioning away from traditional jobs. Obviously you're always going to have some stuff, some jobs out there, whether it's construction or restaurant work. But as AI evolves and develops, those jobs are also going to start to disappear. And you have valuable insight, valuable life experiences that people do want to hear from, people want to resonate with. And I think more so now than ever before in our life, we are more disconnected from each other and a social experience thanks to our phone, which ironically was created to connect us. So having somebody who speaks from the heart and can create real content based off their life experiences is going to resonate a lot more with people than this AI generated content. AI can generate tons of information and spill it out in a minute or two for a short. And that's great if you're trying to learn something. But if you want to connect, this is the way to do it. Not only that, you're documenting yourself. This is for your loved ones. This is some place that your loved ones can go down the road and they can revisit who you are. I might not be here when my kids have grandkids, but this will be an opportunity that they can kind of come back and look and, see how I was as a person. This is a way I can connect with people that I no longer live near, and they can see how I'm doing. This is a way that I can provide for my family. This is a way that I can develop new skills, new hobbies. And I think in general, a lot of us face depression, honestly, for lack of a better term, because we don't create. We're made to be creators. We're made to develop. Everything around us, the cell phone, the computer, the water bottle you're drinking out of, the lights, this all started as an idea in someone's head. We created that. I'm not a super religious person, but I do believe that there are some profound examples that we should live by in the Bible and many other religious texts. One of which is that we were made in the image of our Father, who was a creator. So, what does that mean? It means get out there and create. I believe firmly you should be creating twice as much as you consume. Stop sitting there binge watching Netflix, mindlessly entertained, or scrolling through the feeds of TikTok or YouTube. Yeah, it's okay to do that stuff, but it should be a conscious effort. You should be aware of what you're doing. I don't know about you, but when I get on YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels or TikTok or anything, a lot of times I find myself lost. It started off as one interesting video, and then another, and then another, and another. And I might as well be drooling when I'm done, like a mindless zombie. Break away from it. Something I like to do is I got an app that sets a timer on my other apps. So if I'm on it too long, it just kicks me off. Snaps me back to reality. I don't really watch TV unless I'm sitting down with my wife and we're consciously making the decision to watch a show like Tulsa King or Fallout or whatever the case may be. But I don't mindlessly scroll and binge watch Netflix or Hulu or anything like that. I try to spend my time creating, whether it's creating a productivity system that works for me, or writing a script for a video, editing a video, something I try to create. I find it provides value to my life, makes me happier. And I think, it's something that's good. Like, I've gotten better at editing video. I've gotten better at setting up lighting. I've gotten better at audio. I've gotten better at, my camera presence. And I think these skills can translate pretty well into other aspects of your life. I've gotten better at graphic design for my thumbnails. And these skills, maybe this YouTube channel won't take off. Maybe it won't account for, maybe it won't account for success for me and my family. But it gives me something to do. It gives me some way to pass my time. And maybe down the road I become a video editor for someone else, or a script writer, or a thumbnail designer, Or maybe I start streaming again. My camera presence that I developed can translate into that. Or my script writing or storytelling skills can translate. I've been a magician. I'm 35 tomorrow? So I've been a magician since, I was 12, 13, something like that. It's been a long time. And storytelling does play a part in that. So if I've gotten better at it in my public speaking, because I haven't done magic in a while, maybe I want to get back into it. Maybe I want to go and perform at a restaurant. Well, I've gotten better at entertaining because of what I'm doing here. So start a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be highly edited, or you're, trying to eat the world's largest cookie. It doesn't have to be so grandiose, but it can be simple. It could be just you vlogging, you talking about your day, how you make your coffee, your commute to work, the things that bother you in life, or, the problems that you're facing, or the solutions that you have to those problems. Somebody will resonate with what you're talking about. We could build a community that way. Because at the end of the day, there's too much division between us. The people and the powers that be want to keep us divided, want to keep us arguing, want to keep us mindlessly watching TV, sports, and all that other stuff. And again, it's okay to watch it, and it's okay to enjoy that, and it's okay to be a consumer, but it needs to be a conscious thing. You're in control of your life, not anybody else. Don't let them sit there and I don't know what's the word. Don't let them sit there and turn you into cattle. You're not cattle. You're a person with experiences. You're a person with ideas. You're a person with thoughts and feelings and emotions, hopes and dreams, ideally, if they haven't died yet. So, start creating, start feeling alive again. Okay, it doesn't have to be a long form video. It doesn't have to be YouTube even. It could be TikTok. It could be Facebook. It could be Instagram. Maybe you don't even need to do a video. Maybe you just make a post on Facebook more regularly, or a page, or an X account. Sorry, that's never gonna stick, I don't think. Twitter. Come on, Musk, get it together, bro. So, I don't know. I think you should start one, and start with this.